those vegan guys. I thank you.
Hello my loves, it's me Paul.
Me Jason.
Together,
those vegan guys.
And we're at Vegan Camp Out.
Oh yes.
So, this is Vegan Camp Out 2025. We've done previous vlogs at Vegan Camp Out, which will be a lot more in depth than this one. Because we're just doing bits, aren't we?
Highlights, catching the vibe, giving you just a sneaky flavour of what Vegan Camp Out's all about.
But what we're eating here is going to be featured in the meals vlog that follows us being here, which will be early September. So there might not be a lot of food stuff in this one, but we're going to show you Vegan Camp Out, show you bits.
All bits. Yeah, as Paul says, we're going to capture glimpses, moments, with hopefully some nice music under it, and it will just give you a flavour. That's what this is all about. So hopefully it won't be too long a vlog. It's something you can just whip through, experience some of the highs that we've experienced over the course of the weekend, and we'll just capture the essence. Yeah.
Absolutely we will. So join us as we spend a lovely weekend at Vegan Camp Out 2025. Let's both walk off sideways and then we'll give you up there.
Okay.
Just for a moment.
Yes.
That's enough.
A little bit of a inner conflict, because on the one hand I wanted to basically as good as I could, I wanted to reduce animal suffering. Unfortunately, and I knew inside that as a vegan I would do that way more powerfully than as a vegetarian.
59?
Jason.
Yeah.
Sweet, hot, spicy.
Spicy.
Everything's spicy.
Everything's spicy.
So spicy bucket, is that right? And a spicy 3 wings.
Yeah. Why the hell not?
Why the hell not?
Yeah, I mean, I think we'll get there. There's so many of us now.
Oh, fabulous. Nice.
I'm buying this. I'm also buying these lovely earrings. Little green pigeon, you can follow her on Instagram.
Fabulous.
Does loads of work for pigeons. And that is just gorgeous.
Yeah, that is gorgeous. Nice.
Any of the pigeons? It's for children. It's about compassion.
Oh, did you want the big one?
Yeah, they're beautiful. Yeah, I like the yellow ones. Yeah. I never put
Oh, thank you, darling.
Are you expecting like the one?
Yeah.
The one?
There's one for me and then there's one for you.
Okay, cool.
Well, if you go camping, air mattresses are the way forward. Last year we got them camping beds you know, metal and fabric. Well, they weren't nice.
I think we're late to the party on the whole inflatable mattress thing, to be
Yeah,
fair.
we probably are. Anyway, we got one, slept great, and now we're having breakfast. Iced chai latte, I blame Ashley. She put it in my head. And hash browns, I've already eaten one. It was 3 hash browns with, what were the beans? They weren't just beans. Barbecue beans and herby shrooms. £6. That's the bargain, that. What's the place called?
I think it was just loaded hash browns.
Fabulous.
And we'll show you.
Oh, I'll just show you briefly. I went for a slightly lighter breakfast. I've already eaten one of my hash browns, but it was 3 hash browns and some garlic mayo. Delightful.
You had a choice of 4 sauces. Oh, it's a saucy camp out this year. However, somebody's invited a load of wasps and they haven't got wristbands, and I'm upset about that.
Yeah. We survived a terrible storm yesterday.
Oh, it was dreadful.
It came about an hour after we'd set up.
Thank you to Spectrum CBD for having an empty tent so that we could stand under. There were nobody there except us 5, like this. Right, on with breakfast. See you out there.
North, alright. All these big long words. Oh, we've got Northerners! Yay! Have we got anyone from near Manchester?
When you think it's all been said and done, you carry on as normal like you should. Don't worry, I'll be there in your
that comes from animals comes alongside things like saturated fat and things that we know are not good for our overall health. Iron than people who eat meat, which you might not expect to think from the
Morning Verde.
Is that what you want?
Morning Verde tacos.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, sorry. There you go.
That's what they look like.
Perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Morning Verde for young fella.
Yeah.
And I shall have a... well, do you know what? I'll have the sunrise burrito. Good morning. It is Sunday morning at Vegan Camp House, and we had an amazing night last night with the Vegan Queens. Are we putting any snippets in?
I think we should.
So here are some snippets.
We created these looks in a tent. We don't need no fancy dressing rooms.
No.
We're dragtivists.
You know what I'm saying? This is the challenge you don't see on Drag Race.
Now, for those of you who don't know who we are, hi, I'm Gemini the mother.
And I'm the errant daughter, Miasma.
And together we are the Vegan Queens. we've got drag kings, we've got folk music,
we've got a bit of burlesque.
Oh, we've got all sorts going on tonight.
It's just posh stripping and
really, of course, we're back here. We're back here again tomorrow night, 7 until 11 p.m. But we're also on the music stage tomorrow afternoon at 5:05. Oh, and we've got a really camp set.
Really camp.
Oh, look at that one, that good. Breakfast this morning, we're having from, is it called Holy Guacamole?
Yeah.
Holy Guacamole. I'm having a sunshine wrap, Stuart's having a sunshine wrap, and Jason has gone for tacos. Oh, look how fancy they are.
We've got coffee, we've got breakfast. We are all good, aren't we?
We are, and in a couple of hours, Stuart and I will be getting ready to Gemini and Miasma it up again, only this time on music stage, and then back over on our own stage. Oh, I've got our own stage here at Vegan Campaign. Just thought I'd let you know. In a bit. Just had a lovely walk around, had loads of hugs. Thank you everyone who stopped us and said hello. That's why we came out on our own, because we know when we're with our friends, people don't want to stop us. But do.
Yeah.
Do, please do.
Some of the people that we met are featured in this very vlog / highlights reel. We're going to stop walking because we're heading towards the music stage and it's thrashy.
Gets very loud very quickly. The Vegan Queens are about to get ready for their set on the music stage at 5:05, and then they'll be back in the woods at 7 o'clock tonight for more cabaret, karaoke, and then we'll be home tomorrow. What a lovely couple of days in a field with 7,500 vegans. Lovely.
Right, we'll catch you later.
Free breakfast baps.
Free breakfast baps, yeah? What sauces are you having?
Or relying on it too much.
So it's not ketchup. Gorgeous pair.
Hello.
I won a set yesterday.
Oh, thank you.
That was unbelievable.
Thank you so much. Well, this is our VCO mini vlog 2025 closer. Jason just showed you our gorgeous breakfast: tofu scramble, bacon, sausage, ketchup, on a muffin, gorgeous coffee. It's been a great weekend, but we're knackered now.
We are knackered.
You've done 3 performances as well, haven't you?
Yeah, it's been incredible. Absolutely awesome.
hard work, as Paul says. We hope that you've enjoyed this sporadic collection of highlights, our highlights of Vegan Camp Out. Obviously, because the Vegan Queens have worked Saturday and Sunday night and all the prep leading up to that.
And Sunday on the music stage.
And Sunday on the music stage.
Bloody house down.
Yeah.
Drag queens covering Oasis. We know what we're doing.
We hope you've enjoyed it anyway, and if you was at Vegan Camp Out 2025 and you are reliving your own memories through this little highlights reel, then please do drop a comment down below and let us know how much you enjoyed the festival and what your highlights were.
And if you came and said hello and gave us a hug, thank you. Yes. We love that.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to drive now for about 3.5 hours to get home. I shall be sat on the sofa stroking my pussy this very evening, and I'm very excited about that.
Yeah.
Is that it?
I think so.
Love you, mister.
Love you.
Mwah. Love you guys. Hope you've enjoyed this. We'll see you again soon, and until then, please be excellent to yourselves and each other. And join us next year. Bye, loves.